Hello students, let us discuss our next topic on the module numerical solution of ordinary differential equations. So you have studied Taylor's method, modified Euler's formula, and like how these methods are useful to solve equations of first order and first degree. So in the method we were discussing about like working rule, how to do the problems and all. Let us see few more examples in modified Euler's method to understand that in a better way. So two examples were discussed in the last sessions, and the third example let us see now. The problem statement is use modified Euler's formula, solve initial value problem dy by dx is equal to x plus root y in the range 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0.4 by taking h is equal to 0.2 given that y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. And it is specified clearly in the problem that perform 2 iterations at each stage. So you need to understand the questions properly. The given formula, the given problem, that is an initial value problem, is dy by dx is equal to x plus root y. And the given range for x is 0 to 0.4. And the step length, the values, the difference between the values of x is h, which has been given as 0.2. So you have to start a value of x as 0 and you have to go till 0.4 in steps of 0.2. So that is what is the problem given here. And the initial conditions given here is x is equal to 1 and at y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. So look at here, what we need to find is we need to evaluate y at 0.2 and y at 0.4. So given as x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 1, f of x comma y is x plus root y. And now let us evaluate f of x naught comma y naught. Just replace x by x naught and y by y naught in this expression also. So you get it as x naught plus root y naught. X naught value is 0 and y naught is 1 and this is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to x naught plus h, which is equal to 0.2. So x1 value is 0.2 and x2 value will be 0.4 in a similar way if we evaluate it. So modified Euler's method, the working rule is first we have to evaluate a value by using Euler's formula and then by modified Euler's method. So y1 at 0th approximation, that is Euler's formula is given by this. y1 at 0th approximation is y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. So f of x naught y naught we have evaluated, the value is 1, h is 0.2 and y naught value was 1. So on simplifying we get y1 at 0th approximation as 1.2. Our y1 value in Euler's method is 1.2. So now we have to use modified Euler's method. So why do we use modified Euler's method is again to get a better approximated value. So to get that we will use the modified Euler's formula. So which has been given by y1 at first approximation is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 at 0 approximation. So what is this f of x1 comma y1 at 0th approximation is? So here f of x comma y, the function is x plus root y. The x is to be replaced by x1 and y is to be replaced by the value which we have evaluated, that is y1 at 0th approximation. So when we do and evaluate it, we get f of x1 comma y1 as square root of 1.2. So on substituting all these things, y naught value, h value, f of x naught, y naught, f of x1, y1, we get y1 in the first approximation as 1.23. Similarly, evaluate y1 in the second approximation because it has asked us to evaluate each value in 2 iterations. So this is a second iteration. Apply the same formula. The difference between this and this is only this. So here y1 has been considered at the 0th approximation value, whereas here we are using y1 in the first approximation value, the immediate value what we have evaluated. So on substituting the suitable values and simplifying, we get y1 in the second approximation as 1.23. So this is our evaluation of stage 1, that is when x1 is equal to 0.2, we have evaluated the value of y1. So now let us move on to the stage 2 with x2 is equal to 0.4. So when x2 is equal to 0.4, the initial values, the values which we have considered in stage 1 will act as an initial value for stage 2. So your x naught value is going to be 0.2 and y naught is going to be 1.23. So f of x comma y is, this is the formula, and f of x naught y naught is replace x by x naught and y by y naught and we get it as 1.3. So x1 value is 0.4 as I have already told you and h here is equal to 0.2. So let us use Euler's formula first. Euler's formula is this and y1 is 1.26 on evaluation So use the modified Euler's method now. The formula is given by y naught plus h by 2, f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 at 0. Substitute and simplify. We get y1 in the first approximation as 1.512. And y1 in the second approximation, because it has asked us to perform in the question itself. So we are doing each stage in 2 iterations. So substitute the suitable values and simplify. Y 0.4 is 1.52. So the writing the formulas in every case is very important, because you'll have a marks allotted for it. So write down the formula correctly and make a substitution to the formula exactly, so that you arrive at a correct answer. And iterations values, you need to remember the iteration 1 and iteration 2 values will not be of much difference. There will not be any difference if most of the time. If there is any difference, it will be in decimal places, not in a whole number. So you need to observe these things before you proceed for the next question. So look at another example. Use modified Euler's method to solve an initial value problem. Dy by dx is equal to log of x plus y. Y of 1 is 2 given, and at x is equal to 1.2 and 1.4 by taking h is equal to 0.2. So this is the problem given. So analyze now itself. What was your f of x comma y here? Just log of x plus y. What was x naught? Which is 1. Y naught is 2. And x1 is 1.2 and x2 is 1.4. The h has been, even if it is not given, it is understood the values of x are varying in steps of 0.2. So h value is 0.2 here. So what we need to compute here is, we have to compute y at 1.2 and y at 1.4. The problem is having 2 stages. Okay, and one more thing you need to observe here is, it is not asked us to perform 2 iterations in every stage. So you can evaluate only one iteration and proceed for the next stage. So let us do the first stage now. By the data given, x naught is 1 and y naught is 2. And f of x comma y is log of x plus y. F of x naught y naught is log of 1 plus 2 and it's equal to log 3, and the value was 1.01. And evaluation of log 3 in your calculator, you need to be a little careful. So here log is to the base e. So when base has been not specified, it is understood it is to the base e. Other than e, if there is any other base has been given, it will be specified, and accordingly you have to choose the option in your calculator. So while taking the values, be careful. Log to base e, the value of 3 is 1.09. And x1 value was 1.2, it has been given to us, and h value was 0.2. So these are the values which are being required for us in substituting the formula. So consider a Euler's formula. Even though the problem is asked to use modified Euler's formula, so before using modified, we have to use Euler's formula first, get the value of y, and then only we have to proceed for modified. So y1 at 0th approximation is y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. So make a suitable substitution. So it is 1.218. So now by modified Euler's formula, we have, this is a formula given, and substitute the values. So we get, and simplify, we get y in 1.2, y at 1.2, value of x is 2.231. So that is our stage 1. So stage 2 here is x naught is 1.2. As I told you in the previous problem, the stage 1 values acts as an initial value for stage 2. So x naught is 1.2, y naught is 2.231, and f of x comma y is this. F of x naught y naught is 1.233, and x1 here is equal to 1.4. So use Euler's formula, and evaluating the value of y1, we get it as 2.477. And by modified Euler's formula, write down the formula, make a substitution, use the immediate previous value of y, and then evaluate it. So we get it as y1 in the first approximation as 2.4898. And y1 in the second approximation is, it's been not asked us to do it anyway, but still you can stop it at this stage itself for better accuracy. You can check, and the value is going to be 2.490. So this is how you need to evaluate the problems on modified Euler's method. So one thing that you need to remember is, directly we cannot use modified. You have to use Euler's formula to find the value of y, initial value of y, and then you have to proceed for modified Euler's formula with a suitable substitution. If it is asked us to perform more iterations, you have to do it, otherwise need not do it. And this is about the modified Euler's formula. Thank you.